Hi everyone. In today's video, we will know about Amazon CloudWatch. What is Amazon CloudWatch? Why we use? What are the features of Amazon CloudWatch, and the benefits, the challenges faced in when we using the Amazon CloudWatch. So let's move to agenda. In this video, we will know about what is Amazon Cloud, why we use, and what are the benefits, and what is Cloud Matrix, and the namespace in CloudWatch, features of CloudWatch, how CloudWatch works, what are the use cases, and the drawbacks of Amazon CloudWatch. So let's see one by one. What is Amazon CloudWatch? Basically, we are using Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring and tracking the AWS resources and application and analyze the performance. And it's help for performance and resources utilization and the AWS infrastructures like that. So let's see the definition. Amazon CloudWatch is monitoring services that tracks the health of Amazon Web Services, resources, and applications. It helps to track the health of the AWS resource and application, and it can be used to monitor, analyze, and optimize the performance of AWS resources, and it helps users gain insights into the operational health, performance, and resource utilization of their AWS infrastructure and applications. Why Amazon CloudWatch? So why we use the Amazon CloudWatch? Because of performance and health of the application tracking and monitor the resources. Here we see Amazon CloudWatch is monitoring services offered by Amazon Web Service to monitor the application. So AWS offered the Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring the services and track the health applications. So it helps for performance and health of the applications and the monitor of the resources used. So, and also you can set the alarm to the resources use of the applications. When the limits are exceeds, then you will get the notification to the mail automatically. In this Amazon Cloud, we can set the alarm when the time limits is over. When we set for example, we can set the alarm as 1 o'clock. So when the time limits are exceeds more than 1 o'clock, it send the notification to the mail automatically. Your time limit or your limits are exceeded, like that. So that's why Amazon CloudWatch we are using. Next, what are the benefits of Amazon CloudWatch? The benefits are the large amount of data is produced by web application. So Amazon CloudWatch acts as a dashboard that contains the organized collection of old data. And also it improves the total cost of ownership by providing alarms, and also takes automated actions when there is an error in limits provided. And applications and resources can be optimized by examining the logs and matrix data, and detailed insights from the applications are provided through data like CPU utilization, capacity utilization, and memory utilization. And also it provides a great platform to compare and contrast the data produced by various AWS services. So what are the main things are we can easily provided the data like CPU and utilization, memory utilization, and also monitoring the resources using these applications. And it provides the platform to compare and data produced by various AWS services, and also it contains the organized collection of old data. So today the large amount of data can be produced, but the Amazon CloudWatch helps to contain all the data in the collections of organized collections. So these are all the benefits. Then move to the cloud matrix. So in the Amazon CloudWatch, we are using the matrices. So first we will know about what is cloud matrices. Cloud matrices are quantitative measurement that provide insights into the performance, health, and usage of cloud resources or applications. In the context of the Amazon CloudWatch, matrix represent data points collected over time for various AWS resources such as EC2 instances, RDS databases, and S3 buckets. Each metric is a time-ordered set of data points with attributes like timestamp, value, and unit of measurement. This matrix help user monitor and analyze the behavior of their resources, set alarms for thresholds, and automate the actions. So in this, the cloud matrix helps to quantitative measurement, and insights the performance and health use of the cloud resources. And also we can use the collected over the time various AWS resources such as the EC2 instances, databases, and S3 buckets. So each metric or a set of data points, the attributes or a timestamp value or a unit of measurement, and also it helps to user the monitor and analyze the behavior of the resources. The next is, what is namespace in CloudWatch? A namespace in Amazon CloudWatch is a container or logical grouping for related matrices. It acts as a high-level identifier that organizes the matrix, ensuring there is no conflict between matrix from different services or custom matrices defined by the user. In every AWS services that generates the matrix has its own predefined namespace, and user can create the custom namespace for their own matrices. In the namespace, it contains the grouping of the related matrix. So I've already told that the before slide. So what is matrix? So this matrix can be held further in the namespace to group of the related matrix in the Amazon CloudWatch container, and it acts as a high-level identifier to organize the matrices, and there is no conflict between the matrix from different services or custom matrix defined by the user. So there in the namespace of CloudWatch there is no conflict. And in the AWS services, it generates the matrix as its own predefined namespace, and it creates the custom namespace for their own matrix. To features of CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability services offered by AWS that helps you track and manage the resources and application in real time. So some of the key features are matrix collection, log management, alarms, dashboards, events and event rules, insights, more like that. So let's see one by one. Matrix collection. So you can in this matrix collection, CloudWatch automatically collects the matrix from various AWS services like EC2, database RDS, Lambda, S3 bucket, etc. In this CloudWatch, it provides the basic and detailed matrix for AWS services. And the log management. The log collections and aggregations in this log management collects log from EC2 instance, Lambda functions and other AWS services. And in this log group, logs are organized into groups, and each group can contain the multiple streams. And also you can monitor logs in real time and analyze them using the CloudWatch log insights. The next is alarms. Set alarms based on thresholds for matrices such as CPU usage or disk space, and it can combine the multiple alarms to trigger a single response based on the multiple conditions. And also you can set actions when an alarm set is triggered, such as sending the notification via SNS auto scaling actions. And dashboards. To create a custom visual dashboard to display your matrices and alarms in a graphical format, and you can also predefine the dashboard. CloudWatch also provides the predefined dashboard for popular AWS services, and also you can create the dashboard that aggregate data from multiple AWS accounts. Events and events rules. Automate the responses to change in your AWS environment by creating event-driven rules. You can schedule tasks to run at specific intervals or times, like example AWS Lambda functions or instance. And also CloudWatch event can trigger the actions like Lambda functions or SNS notifications. The next is insights. CloudWatch Log Insights, a fully managed log analytics services to search and analyze the log data using a powerful query language, and it provides the insights into trends and anomalies in your matrices data. In this detection, CloudWatch use machine learning models to detect your matrix data, and also you can create the custom models to track and predict this data. So these are all the features of CloudWatch. The next is how CloudWatch works. Amazon CloudWatch works by collecting and monitoring the various types of data from AWS resources and applications, allowing you to track the performance, health, and usage of your infrastructure in real time. Here, overview of how CloudWatch works. There are data collection, data storage, data analysis and visualization, alarms, and automated actions. Let's see one by one. Data collection. CloudWatch collects data from various AWS services and custom sources. This data can be broadly categorized into metrics, logs, and events. In the matrix, CloudWatch gathers matrices such as utilizations, I/O, and network traffic and request latency from AWS resources. And the logs can collect the log data from AWS services. In the event, capture the AWS resources, its state changes, configuration update, and system events. First, it collects the data and the resources, and then later for data collection, CloudWatch offers the agent which can install the EC2 instances and containers. So data storage. Once CloudWatch collects matrices and logs, it stores the data for various retention period. In the matrices, CloudWatch store matrix data for the 15 months, it allowing you to analyze trends over long periods. The default data retention is 40 days for high resolution matrices, and its historical data can be analyzed via dashboards or queries. In the logs are stored in log groups and log streams. Within the CloudWatch, you can specify the retention policies to automatically delete the log after a certain period. So CloudWatch offers scalable storage, ensuring that you can store and analyze the large volumes of matrices and long over time. The data analysis and visualization. CloudWatch allows you to analyze and visualize the collected data using the following tools. In the CloudWatch dashboards, you can create custom dashboards to visualize matrices and log from AWS services. And the CloudWatch log insights, it provides a powerful log analysis tool called the logs data. In this, the next is alarm and automated action. CloudWatch lets you to set the alarm based on the matrix thresholds or log patterns to trigger the automated responses or notifications. This helps you proactively manage your environment by taking action when performance from desired levels, that is matrix alarm, composite alarm, action alarms, like that. This is how the CloudWatch works. So first it collects the data, and then it stores the data and analyze the data and visualization, then it automated the actions. The next is use case for CloudWatch. CloudWatch can be used to monitor the performance of AWS resources, applications, and infrastructure components in real time. CloudWatch allows users to set up alarms that trigger notifications or automated actions in responses to changes in the state of their resources. The CloudWatch can be used to store, search, and analyze log data from various AWS services, applications, and infrastructure components. And CloudWatch can be used to monitor the performance of EC2 instances, RDS databases, and other resources, which can then be used to trigger the automatic scaling events. The next is drawbacks. What are the main drawbacks of Amazon CloudWatch? So it can be expensive, especially for the large scale monitoring and logging needs, and CloudWatch may not be able to handle the large amount of log data, especially during the spikes in usage, making it difficult to maintain the consistent level of monitoring and logging. And the monitoring and logging process of CloudWatch can consume significant system resources, impacting the overall performance of an application. And it integrating the CloudWatch with other AWS services and third-party tools can be challenging. So it's expensive, and it not maintain the large amount of data, and it consumes the significant system resources. These are all the main disadvantages. The challenges we are facing of the CloudWatch are complexity in setup, and it provides only limited visibility and granularity, and the cost management. These are all the main challenges of the CloudWatch.